What is going on, everybody? It is October 18th, 10:04 a.m. What a crazy morning. Crazy morning. These low float Chinese stocks, as I expected, were just gonna explode today. And what can I tell you? I capitalized on it hard. I made $1,633 today in literally 20 minutes. But you gotta be careful with these. You gotta be careful. This thing, right from the market open, it exploded from 225 all the way up to 360 and was hanging in this area and then just exploded up to 450 and got halted. And so far, this has been halted, I think, twice now, or only once. But this hit a high up here of $6 from $2 this morning. Crazy moves. Real quick, let me show you guys real quick. This is all I made today. I made 150 was my first sell-off for 38-cent profit. Then 300 shares, I made 191 for 64-cent profit. Sold 100 shares. Well, this was 400. I sold my last 400 lot for $1.74 change, which brings it to $700 for that. And then I traded my small account, CCCL. I only bought 200 shares of it right at the open. I got this sucker, and I was patient with it, and I just let it run, and I pretty much doubled my account with this, and I think I'm almost at $2,000 with this account now. And I started it at the beginning of October with $400. So, boom, just goes to show you, you could take advantage of a market when it's very volatile. You just have to be careful and know what you're doing. So, made over $1,000 on Charles Schwab and made over $600 on TD Ameritrade. Over $1,600 today within the first 20 minutes of the market. And this is still looking to keep going. But I didn't want to get greedy with it. I want to take profit when I have it. I don't want to develop bad habits of holding on and hoping and just getting greedy. I always want to lock in profits, always. A $1,600 day, I'll take it every day. We just have so much going on this morning. The scanners were just going crazy. Real quick, let's go over. We had YECO with the nice little gap up pre-market. Then it started to sell off here at 1090. And then right at the open, this ripped from 1090 all the way up to $18. An $8 rip. And then it gets halted right here. And then right now it's at 1435, and I believe it is halted right now. And then we got PTI. This came out with an analysis, upgraded it to a price target of $9. And this went from 232, gaps up to 335. And I was watching this pre-market, and it just kept grinding up. And look, it's at $8 right now. When these analysis upgrade stocks, it can be big. It could be a hit or a miss. Then we got Greg here, CREG, running from what, $1.40 to a high of $2.60. These are just running in sympathy of CCCL and YECO. These Chinese low float stocks did the same thing last year. They heated up in October, November. Low float Chinese stocks. And then it's doing it again today. YECO lit it up yesterday. Yesterday, this went from $1.80 to a high of $13, and then after hours hitting a high of $17.50. I'm just trying to find out what's going on. And we got JMU going from $1.30 to $2.55, and that's currently halted. JMU it's got 1.8 million in volume. But all these stocks just are exploding right now. So much is going on. PTI's still going nuts. And this has got a higher float too. This is almost a 30 million in float. And this is making moves like this. That's crazy. There's gotta be a big investor in this or something. And then CCCL just popping back over $5. Look at this thing. Hits a high of $6 right here, falls all the way down to $4.50. Now it's testing $5. CCCL, this is where it's at right now. This is where traders are currently looking right now. CCCL is approaching 7 million in volume on the day. And the overall market's red. You know, and this stuff's happening. What a great morning. What a great morning, and what a great day to end the week. Fridays, I normally don't trade. This is it, Thursday. I'm taking my profit, and I'm just enjoying the rest of the day. I don't want to push it. I don't want to give it all back to the market. This is where a lot of emotion could start coming into these plays now, because people are seeing it, that they missed it from here, from $2.25 to $6. And this is where a lot of traders can hurt themselves and chase. Looks like it failed at $5, and now it's pulling back down to $4.50. See? If you were to get in there right if it's trying to break $5, you know, you're immediately down 40, 50 cents. And this is why I love playing penny stocks, because penny stocks, they're a world of their own. The overall market's red, and we have these low float Chinese stocks exploding. There's currently like an 18-cent spread on this right now. 28 cents. Here it goes. Now it's going to start exploding up and taking off. It'll probably come up 550, test 550, and then test $6. 550 is going to be a mental area. Seeing a lot of selling on the tape. And PTI is still going crazy. I just want to show you guys. I know this is going to probably extend it a little bit, but I just want to show you these moves. Look at that, from 550 to 560. Is it going to have the strength to keep pushing? Here it goes, 585. It's going to come up and test $6. Very thin on the bid and ask. Very thin. 487. It's going to come up and test 6. Watch when it comes up and tests 6. Watch it surge over 6 if it does. And break out to new highs. This is why you got to be careful with these low floats. They move very, very fast. Here it goes, $6. Watch it surge over 6. 645. Look at that. Boom! Just like that. I wasn't expecting a big move like that. Wow. There are a lot of people who probably market ordered in. That's why it's hard. It's not safe to market order in on these. At $6, you're looking to get in. It just surged from 6 to 645. That's a horrible fill. And it comes back down to 6. You're down immediately 45 cents. And now it's popping up to 645. You're breaking even. That's proof right there on why it's bad to market order in. We've watched this from 470. It's hitting $6 now, 645. That's a $1.50 move, $1.75 move. Huge, huge range on this. See? Just like that $6 and it popped to 645. People who got filled, this came down to 575. You're down 75 cents, just about. That's why it's bad to chase. I chased for so long when I first started. It's really struggling to hold above $6. A smart trader would wait for this to pull back down into this 450, 475 area. Look at that thing sell off. Boom! Look at that. It was just at testing $6 and now it's down to 5. And I'm still imagine that guy who got filled at 645. If he'd be holding and hoping right now, he'd be down $1.50. Wow. We'll go over more of this later, guys. I just wanted to make a quick market recap real quick. This is just crazy moves. CCCL right now, this is where it's at. A professional trader waits for the washout, wait for it to start building up to the high, sell, another washout. There's all kinds of strategies to learn, all kinds, and just learning them, adding them to your bag of tricks. But up over $1,600 on the day. Awesome day. Awesome way to end the week. I'm done for the week. And I will see you guys over the weekend when we do the weekly market recap. All right, guys. Be patient, be disciplined, and study, 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 guys. All right. Later.